Welcome to our review of the mesmerizing 3D crystal photo, a perfect blend of art and technology. Hello everyone, here today I'm excited to share with you this incredible 3D crystal photo, so let's unbox with me. Thanks for the company Snclriao. They sent me the really great gift 3D crystal photo of my channel logo. So let's start with unboxing. The package is sleek and secure, ensuring your crystal photo arrive in perfect condition. The first thing you notice is the quality, the clarity of the crystal and the precision of the laser etching are just outstanding. It truly brings your photo life in a three-dimensional way. You can personalize any picture you want, but I choose my channel logo, which is awesome. So if you're a content creator or influencer, you can choose your channel name or channel logo. It's up to you. Or you can choose your personal picture, your family photo. But I really like it. It also comes with the rotating stand with the multiple lighting, and it used 3 AAA battery, I guess. Yes, 3 AAA batteries. And also it's come with the USB. You can just plug it in. One of the coolest features is that the option to choose from the different unique background design. You can choose with different shapes. Ideal for every special moment, the 3D picture in crystal is excellent gift, making of the perfect choice of any occasion from birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, wedding day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas and beyond. It's thoughtful, it's timeless treasure that will be cherished for years to come. So whether it's on your desk, bookshelf, or nightstand, this 3D crystal photo fits perfectly anywhere. Plus, it looks stunning with the different lighting condition. I'm just gonna show you in the dark so you can see. Look at that colors. It's so amazing. So ready to turn your memories into timeless art? Order your 3D crystal photo today and use the discount code. I'm gonna share it in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product review.